the pulse rate of an athlete, R beats per minute, T minutes after the athlete finishes a workout, is shown in the table below. Plot the points on a graph. So the first thing I have to work out is which one of these are the dependent and which one is independent. If I have beats per minute and we have time, the time does not depend on how many heartbeats there are. The number of heartbeats depend on how long you have worked out. So in this case, I can see that my time, and usually time is the independent value, And we can also then see that R is the dependent value. I know you can't read that, that's all right. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to use R, so the independent will be at the bottom, dependent will be down. Because I want this to fit in properly, I'm going to start at the top where I have space, and I'm going to say, let's make this 180, and I have to go all the way down to 0. So to do that properly, I'm going to work in 20. So I'm going to say 180, 160, 140, 120, 100, 80, 60, 40, 20, and then 0. That fitted like a glove. Using a ruler, and I also use grit paper. This will have to go to 8. So I'm just going to say that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And I'm going to call this R, beats per minute, and this is the time in hours. So when time is 0, and I'm going to try and do it with this, when time is 0, that is 180. When T is 2, so when T is 2, that is 150. So 140, 150. When time is 4 seconds, this is 100. 4 seconds is 100. 6 seconds is 80. 6 seconds is 80. And 8 seconds is 70. 8 seconds is 70. And that's how my graph looks. Now plot the points. Now remember, the heartbeats is going to happen in between. You don't have heartbeats only on whole numbers. You have heartbeats all the time. So what we're going to do is, this is going to be a line, and you can see this is not a straight line. So I don't want you to take a ruler and draw from there to there to there to there, straight lines. Okay, we're going to have smooth lines. This is not art. So I don't want people doing that little, that's not maths, because this is going to be used to make a reading, to make a prediction. And to do that, I will have to have a one solid line. So if you do this in the exam, that little artwork which looks like a horse's hair, then you are going to lose marks. So a smooth line, and the more you do it, the better you get at it. Okay, I haven't done it a lot, so let's see how we go. And not too shabby. Okay, so that is roughly how that graphs look. Now they say estimate the athlete's pulse rate after 3 minutes. So after 3 minutes, and everybody's will be the same. If they say use your graph, you have to show this graph. So you have to show that I have gone from there up to a certain point, and then I went through, and this is this is an estimation because this is not a very accurate graph. So I can see that this is around about 120 beats per minute. Now the example in the book says 125, depends on how your graph look. We are lenient in giving you some results. So my result here, when T is 3, R equals 120.